Hey, welcome to Tutorial Assist. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to see someone full DP on Instagram. Like I want to see full DP of KSI. For this you need to have to go to Chrome browser or any other web browser and open this website called instadp.com and type the username here like KSI and click on search. Fill the captcha option. I will fill it quickly. Here you can see KSI's profile. Click on full size. Scroll down. Here you can see KSI full DP. Click on download. A new window will open. Here you can see full size picture of KSI. In this way you can see anyone full DP on Instagram. The link to this website called instadp.com will be in my description box below. If you learned something from this video, hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.